Hey guys, I'm at the Home Depot. My next door neighbor has one of these. $699. He mows about half his lawn and then he takes the battery, and then I see him 2 hours later come back with a charged battery. I mean, I don't know about you, but that drives me crazy. I was watching videos today and I watched a guy go about 5 feet. Both batteries were charged on this. This has dual batteries. And then it just shorted out. And he has contacted the manufacturer. He's done everything that he can do to get this thing to run. It shows it's charged in the back and on the batteries, but no luck. I don't know anything about this, so I'm not gonna badmouth it, but I can tell you this about the DeWalt. These tires are way too thin. Everybody knows when you're going through grass, you're gonna sink into it. Honda, that's your best bet here. But again, this is the base model. Right now, you can spend an additional $100 and get a 200cc version of this with the better cruise control, and I think that's the way a person needs to go. Guys, I'm the first to tell you, I am not sold on the lithium ion trimmers, blowers, edgers, none of it. I mean, I think it's good for some people that aren't men, maybe like a girl. But when you start realizing why they're pushing all this lithium ion, it's not because of global warming, it's because of China. 90% of the lithium comes out of the mines in China. Who's pulling it out? Slave labor, kids. Some of those pools of water that are outside the lithium ion mines, you want to hear something? Birds land in it, about 20 seconds later they're dead. Why isn't anyone talking about that? I'm telling you, I don't like it. I had a guy, I was watching him, he was blowing and all of a sudden he was on fire. One of those. Can you imagine you're blowing your yard? You don't have very much yard, and all of a sudden your blower catches on fire? Why? A short, why? Lithium ion. You know, these things don't run real good when it's cold, and they don't run real good when it's hot. Just saying. Waste of money. Let's see, what's your favorite? What's your favorite weed eater? Is it steel? Say steel. Say a gas-powered steel. Oh, it is, isn't it? Yes, girl. I love you. You're my type of doggy. What about you? You like these lithium ion ones? Well, I'm not going to talk to you. Let me talk to this dog.